Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. I made this beautiful cinnamon raisin bread. Let me show you how I made it. I have a big bowl and I have 3 cups of flour. This is rapid rice instant yeast. 1 little envelope. This is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Here's 4 tablespoons of salted butter. Room temperature. 1 beaten egg. 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a cup of raisins, 1 teaspoon of salt. This is milk that's 100 degrees. It can be 100.4 up to 110. Okay, just want to make sure it's warm milk. I'm adding this to my mixture. Now I'm going to mix all this together. I'm going to knead this for 8 minutes. You can roll it out onto your cutting board if you want, but there isn't any real need. You can keep it in your bowl, whatever you want to do. And now I have it in a nice little ball, and I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil just to lubricate, and I'm going to cover it with a plastic wrap. And then I'm going to put it in my oven. I am not turning on the oven. I am only turning on the light. And that should be enough heat to give it a good environment to rise. You want it to rise double in size for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove the plastic wrap, punch it down because it has a lot of air. Okay, I have a little bit of flour. I'm going to put it on my cutting board. And I'm just going to knead it for about 30 seconds. Okay, now I'm going to get my rolling pin and I'm going to roll it out to about 10 to 12 inches. And I'm going to do it in an oblong shape. Okay, something like this. Now I'm brushing on some butter, melted butter. And this is 3 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Okay, mixing that together, and I'm going to add that on top of my dough. Okay, then you just spread it out evenly, all the way to the edges. Now you're going to get that long side, and you're going to start tightly rolling it up like this. And then I'm going to cut it in half, and I have 2 loaf pans, 4.5 by 8.5, and I sprayed them with a baking spray so that they won't stick. I added my dough. I'm going to cover them with plastic wrap and put them back in the oven without turning it on, just the light, for 1 hour. And then now they've risen. Now we're going to start baking them, 350 degrees for 45 minutes. And after 45 minutes, here we are. These are completely cooked. So now I'm going to add a little bit of melted salted butter, just to give it a little moisture on top and a little extra flavor. And then once I cut into them, look at this. Oh my goodness. They come out so beautiful. It's so soft. And look at those beautiful lines inside, the twirl, cinnamon twirl. Oh my goodness, I'm tasting this and I'm amazed at how beautiful it looks. And look at that cinnamon and sugar. Oh, and it tastes as good as it looks. Oh, this was really, really good. It warranted a happy dance. I really like this. This really came out good. I was very proud of myself. There's my happy dance. Thank you very much for watching. This is cinnamon raisin bread. See you next time.